What's the difference between an inward mindset and an outward mindset? Well, before I jump into answering that question, I want you to recall some instances in which you're likely guilty, so own up to it. Recall a time when you're driving along on the freeway and someone was trying to merge into your lane and they had their blinker on, yet you failed to let them in. What about a time when you failed to do something kind for a family member or a friend when it would have been easy for you to do? And what about a time you gave a fabricated excuse, maybe to a manager or a subordinate or a family member? What was your mindsets in these situations? Your mindset was one of, I'm more important than you are, at least in that moment. See, when we see ourselves being more important than others, we have a tendency to objectify others, see them as instruments, there to get us where we want to go, or maybe as a barrier that's standing in our way of greater success. So when we have an inward mindset, we see ourselves as being more important than others, and this causes us to see them more like objects than as people. But when we have an outward mindset, we see others as being just as important as ourselves. Their needs and wants matter just as much as our own. And when we have this mindset, we're able to see them as people and truly value them as such.